Hi guys, welcome back and back into the garage. But today, although I have been working in the Skyline and I have an answer to the last video regarding inlet manifold, today we are talking Anglia. So since last time, Anglia was last on one of the car show videos, I believe. Engine's been back out, the head's been a bit redone, there's been some cam upgrades, valves, lifters, etc, etc. We'll get that into a full video, but until last week I didn't realise that it was away for some bodywork. So actually I went around the corner to one of our old pals, Scotty, got some amazing cars at his garage. The Anglia is round, getting the bodywork tidied up a wee bit, and I think it merits a feature. Loads of room under there for the cooler. Front still nice and tidy. A sneaky bit of modifying here, guys, for the inlet manifold. I am in white for the full lot.
Professional body shop.
Bulkhead trying its best to look standard still. And a sneak peek of the new wheels. Are they?
Great. Look at that fit.
So, Anglia's looking amazing. This is always a quick turnaround from Scotty, so I think by the next episode we will be round, the car will be painted and we'll be getting the engine in. But on to some of the hot rods. So first up, I'm going to roll some clips here. Is Scotty's Model B van, which is a 1932 Ford. Unbelievably started as a 5-window, and he has worked towards how it is now, which is absolutely incredible. Stick some pictures on and we'll go for a wee nosy round. The old van looks amazing.
Looks good, sure, doesn't it?
£150 brake horsepower, turnkey Z-Tech. crazy that See cars that size are a two-door.
I know the rear quarter on it's the size of a Corsa.
And what's even better, see the windows, don't they?
Aye, pillarless.
It's pillarless.
Ah, that's cool. Hey, what is this called again? What is one of these?
What is it, Scotty? A 50?
530.
Oh, good gear too as well.
The left airbags up and all that.
Oh no, no.
Was the air conditioners before?
That'll be mega.
4.6 on it. It's
Aye.
more than that, is it 5 points or not?
4.6.
4.6.
A Cavalier rack and Corsa, electric power steering.
Oofed. Old limo engine.
Auto box.
Plenty of room for a charger or something up the front as well.
Did you keep the axle as well, Scott? Does it half it fold down?
Aye.
Aye, it kind of
This
folds.
half,
This half.
it just fucking kind of tilts in the way.
Tilts in the way.
The bolting doesn't
Look at it, come on.
To change this, to miss the steering, then to move this, to miss that, then to move this pipe, to miss that. But aye, it was a Pinto one. But to...
It's like
94-year-old.
That is crazy. Look at the height of the windows.
greenhouse off.
That's mega. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Great to have a look around Scotty's cars. Some amazing projects there. Dealing with a car that's almost 100 years old, which was very impressive to see, running a Pinto. I think it'll be cool when it's done and dusted. But thanks again for watching. We'll be back very soon. Like I say, GTR video is just coming shortly. I do have a big backlog of parts now to get us running again, and we'll be back very quickly to get the engine back in Anglia, see it painted, and hopefully we're not too far away from a tune up on that. But thanks again, guys.